It's always a pleasure to see markets and instruments respecting the levels as we share in our analysis. Yet again, gold so far for the day has been trading within the zone. I had mentioned that only a sell entry is below 2018. It respected 2018 beautifully. And on the upside, 2026 levels again, it is yet to break past by these levels. Thus, was traded in a no trade zone. Likewise, crude oil has reached and achieved the lows at 76.4 levels and still trying to trade bearish. Now, what to expect from gold and crude oil with the US session, how we can profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest. I release twice a day updates for the instruments. This is the second update for the day. Thus, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment as well. And yes, if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly charts, and first, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. Now, look at gold here. After the drop, it is retraced here and it is getting a very strong resistance here at 2025-26. Thus, a buying entry is only about 2025-26 levels. And yes, a selling entry is confirmed at 2018. But then you need to note that, see how beautifully, see this red line, this trend line is coming from the daily charts. Yesterday also we have seen it respecting this trend line beautifully, and this line is there in my chart since long now. Thus, we need to watch out for this trend line is again going to be a greater support. We have to be careful at around 2014, 2015, the first support levels, and then 2010, 2012. Only bearishness is confirmed in crude oil. If you see, it is staying below 2010 levels. So bearishness is in gold only below 2010. Now let's have a further detail look. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has retraced. It is trading in green, trying to converge. RSI flat, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, drop, retracement here, and you can see the resistance here very strong on the upside. But also one must note that couple of red candles on the 2 hour charts, one bullish candle with a little wick. It suggests that it could bounce back again only and only if it stays above the previous lows at 2018 and then above 2014. If and only if it breaks below 2014-15 zone, we should treat this as bearish, else chances of a bounce back will be very high. The stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost flat, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, one must note that the rise here, see it has already breached. First of all, we have seen it yielding lower highs. It has already breached this lower highs. And if you divide this into two, you will find symmetry here. And now only thing is it has to break out above 2026 levels in order to confirm further rise. Beyond that, we will look forward to 2030-32, and after that further bullishness can take it towards. Now see, it has to break this zone here at 2036 and then 40-42. So above 2030-32, it is 36 and then 40-42. Three levels, three zones it needs to break past by. Beyond that, it should be treated for a reversal. Else one must note, drop, retracement, and a break here is going to be sharper enough. Be watchful of this. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI flat, coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, see, yes, it is shying away to break past by this zone, suggestive of stronger resistance here at this zone. The possibility of it hitting 2030-32 zone exists, but we need to be cautious. Yes, it can show you swings, taking it on the one side and reversing it. Possibility exists for this as well. Drop, retracement, and if it breaks, it is going to be a sharper one. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent. See, MACD has crossed over 4 candles away. We still can expect it to trade with the divergence and bullishness. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to the day. Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Few seats are left. Register yourself now. If do not miss this opportunity, register yourself and equip yourself with the right tools and strategy which can help you trade profitably in across instruments, be it indices, commodity, currency, or crypto as well. And yes, you can be part of the signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me for more. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates or be a part of the platform forexfonda.com where you get the live data releases, the economic chart, the live charts with advanced tools, the community of traders, and also you get to be part of the webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the markets. Do join the webinar series, which also comes with 2 free consultations with me where you can discuss one-to-one with. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened so far? It has created lower highs. And remember what has happened yesterday, it has created lower lows. Now you can see the pattern here, lower highs, lower lows here. The possibility of it to reverse exists. We have to watch out more carefully. Also remember what has happened, one red candle, one swing candle, there could be a second red candle on the way. But I still expect, as long as it stays, see yesterday it tried to breach the channel but failed to close below this channel, suggested that there is bullish momentum. Now drop, retracement, and a drop here can be sharper enough. Be watchful of this. Though a break above 2026 and specifically above 2030-32 is what watch out. Because see, if you divide this into two and look at the symmetry here, drop, almost symmetrical formation, and if it breaks out beyond 2030-32 and then specifically beyond 40-42, we can consider that as a reversal and we can look forward to a stronger rise. Right now it is shying away from even breaking past the first resistance zone, which is 2026. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish, but it is trying to converge, though it is not yet crossed over, and RSI is staying flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2018 levels, expect it to move towards 2014-15 as the first support zone, 2010-12 as the next, and below 2010 is where the bears are waiting, where we can look forward to 2004-1997 levels. Any draw below 1997 can lead to sharper bearish momentum, where we can look forward to 1980 levels in the near term. On the upside, a buying entry is about 2026, but then be careful at around 30-32, then 36, and then 40-42. Remember, as long as gold stays below 20-40-42, the chances of reversal will be very, very, very high. Be careful of that. Above 40-40, do not think of selling gold, it is going to break out. And on the downside, below 2008-10 zone, it is going to drop towards first double bottom levels or close to double bottom levels, 2002-2004 zone, then below that 1997. Below 1997, stronger crash. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. Now see, oil today has been trading bearish after the rise yesterday. This we have expected. I had shared on the daily charts. It is trading outside Bollinger Bands. We may see a slight pullback. See, it has retraced now. It has come to the support zone at 76.4 and below 76.4, 76.3, and below this we can look forward to 76. Right now, after a couple of retracement, it is again looking down, signs of bearishness. At the same time, on the upside, any point of time, if it trades above 77, we can initiate a buying position. Let's have a look here further. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the top, and that is why I said that it could try to trade with slight bearishness, looking downwards as of now. RSI looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here. Only one thing, that it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average, sitting here at 76.5, 76.3, very, very strong support here, and then 76. Only bearishness is below further 76 levels, where you can look forward to 75.5 and further lower levels. Stochastic rising, and it has hit a bottom though, but look at MACD, it has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downwards. It can call for more bears here. RSI looking down as well. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. See, one must note, look at the bullish candle, look at the retracement candles. These are comparatively smaller in size, suggests that this is a retracement which is undergoing in crude oil. This is not a reversal. And possibility for, because see, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average, possibility for it to converge towards the moving average exists. Thus 76 levels can be seen, but it has to break below 76.3 in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic looking down, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is again going to be a bearish cross. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, looking downwards. Coming to 4, similar observation. And yes, a buying entry above 77 is recommended. Only above 77 we can initiate a buying position, where I'll be looking forward to 78 levels here on the upside. Chances for it to break on the upside exist less. Right now, again, it is trying to trade in this. Thus, we have to wait for it to break below 76.3. Below that, 76 and 75.6 could be achieved. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to the daily. Now, firstly, on the daily charts, prices are outside Bollinger Bands. It has started the day outside Bollinger Bands, trying to fall back within the zone. Thus, and this is a retracement, not a reversal. Remember, it is still giving a breakout and it is going to continue in this breakout channel or breakout rally. And that is why I say a reversal is possible. It is trying to take the support here from 76.3, 76.5 zone, only below 76.3. Specifically, I will say below 76 is where slight bearishness to be seen. Then I will look forward to 75.6 levels, 75.5 levels, and then 75. If and only if oil trades below 75, you can consider that as a reverse and can assume that oil is reversing here, where we can again look forward to 74, 72 zone, which appears to be a difficult chance as of now, as you can note that see the drop here, rise, retracement, rise. So this is a second wave which is continuing. The highs for this wave is somewhere here at around $80 levels. As long as it stays above 74, 72 zone, we can consider that as a bullish only on the daily charts. Thus for the day, a selling entry at 76.3, 76.4 zone can be seen, but then be cautious. 76 should be the first support, 75.6, 75.5 should be the next target, and below that further bearishness can take it till towards 75. On the upside, a buying entry is only above 77 levels, where if you are seeing it at above 77, you can initiate a buying position, and then I will look forward to 77.8 and see 77.4, 77.5 yesterday's high. This one position you should be watchful of. Beyond that, we will look forward to 77.8 as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.